Hi, welcome to Writat.com. Writat offers its users a platform to publish books for free. It's a do-it-yourself platform, where we accept the final PDF file of your book and help you publish it for sale across the globe in more than 80 countries. The biggest difficulty authors face is in setting the layout of their book as per industry standards. Though we offer templates in Microsoft Word, but still many writers face issues in copying their manuscript onto the template. To ease out this problem, we have come up with this video, which gives you information on how to set your typed manuscript on a Microsoft Word document and prepare it for publishing. On the screen, you will see a typed script. This is how a typical script looks like. In this video we will show you the following. 1. How to set up the MS Word file to format your script. 2. How to set up chapters. 3. How to format chapters paragraphs of the book using styles. 4. How to create front pages. 5. How to create closing pages. 6. How to create a table of content. 7. How to insert page numbers. And finally how to create a PDF that can be uploaded on Writat. When you start typing your script, it is generally on a A4 size sheet. The first step you need to follow is to set the size of the Microsoft Word file to the size of book that you wish to have. Currently we offer the following sizes. The most used sizes are 6 inches by 9 inches and 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. For this book we will use 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. To set size of the Microsoft Word file, click on Layout. Then Size, then More Paper Sizes. Here you can adjust the width to 5.5 inches, and height to 8.5 inches. In case your computer shows sizes in centimeters, please convert this into centimeters using any online tool. Now click on Margins, keep 1 inches on all sides. Once done click on OK. Now the file has been set into 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Next step will be to create styles for chapter headings. By creating styles, it becomes easier to create table of content for your book with just one click, and also when you make one changes in the style it gets reflected at all the places in the document. To create style, click on Home. Go to the Styles tab, and you will see some predefined styles. Select any one for chapter headings, right-click on it and click on Modify. To ease out, keep the name of the style as chapter headings. Style to be based on heading 1. Change the font, size and color to any what you wish to. Check for alignment, we will keep it center aligned. Once done, click OK. This same way, you can create other styles for subheadings if there are any in your book. In this book, as we don't have any, we will skip this part. Next we will create style for chapters paragraphs. Follow the same process as you did for chapter headings. Base the style on list paragraph. Change fonts and sizes required. By default the paragraphs are justified. In case they are not, click on Format, then Paragraphs, and click Justified. You can create more styles as and when required. Now, it's time to format the text of the book. Highlight the chapter name, and click on the Style chapter heading. You will now see how it changes. Next you can highlight paragraph after paragraph or page by page and click on the style you have created for book's body. Once a chapter finishes, you need to perform the same steps for all the chapters in the book. But before starting with another chapter, always ensure a page break is inserted between the two chapters. This helps the new chapter to begin on a new page. To insert break, first take the cursor to the starting of the name of the chapter. Then click on Insert, and then Page Break. Once done, perform the same process for this chapter and the ones after that. Once you finish applying the styles, just run through the whole documents once again for any text that you may have missed formatting. Now we will create the opening pages for the book. The opening pages generally consists of the following: opening page, copyright page, and the table of content. These three contents are mandatory. Some other contents that can also come are acknowledgements, introduction and/or foreword. In this book we will only use the mandatory opening pages. To create opening pages, go to the start of the document before the first chapter, place the cursor before the first text, and click Page Break. For the opening pages you need to have page breaks in 2. That means, for every one page of content, you need to apply the page break twice. This is done so that the content of new page begins from the right side, or as we call, from the odd-numbered page of the book. So, as we have 3 sections for the opening page, book name page, copyright page and table of content, we will click Page Break 6 times. Once done, go to the first page in the document and type the book's name. As we are using the script of Alice in Wonderland, we will insert the book's name and author's name on this page. You can format the size and fonts as you desire. Keep the next page blank and go to page 3. Now we will create content for copyright page. On this page you can have details like name of copyright holder, year of publication. Sometimes authors like to put their information like their name, email address, website links, or links to their social media accounts. Once done with the information, leave the next page blank and go to page 5. On this page, we will insert the table of content. As we have already applied styles to chapter headings, this process will be very easy. Just follow these steps, go to References. Click on Table of Contents. Format it whichever way you wish to. Just play around a little to understand it better. Once done, apply it. If the header doesn't come, you can type the same and format it the way you wish. You may also format the table of content as you desire. Leave the next page blank. Remember, the first chapter of the book should always start from an odd-numbered page. In this case, the first chapter of the book starts from page number 7, which is odd. Some authors prefer all their chapters or books section, if any, to start from an odd page. You can do that by inserting a page break wherever necessary. Now we will create closing pages. Go to the last page where we will insert a closing page. This section generally consists of bibliography, references, endnotes, index and, the most important, the author's bio. In this video, we will only show how to insert author's biography page, and also how to update it on the table of content. Once on the last page of the book, Place the cursor after the last text and click Page Break. On the new page you may write about the author. Once written, format the heading and paragraph using the styles. Once done, you can include this section on the table of content. Scroll up to the page that has the table of content page. Right-click on the table. Click on Update Table. Format the table once again, if required. Now that the whole book is ready, it's time to insert page numbers. Generally, the page numbers start from the first chapter. Follow these steps. Go to the first chapter page. Place cursor before the first character of the chapter name. Go on Layout. Breaks. Under the section Breaks, click Next Break. Now, depending on whether you want your page numbers in the header or footer, go to Insert. Click on Page Number and use the style you like. In the navigation section, unclick Link to Previous. This will prevent page numbers from showing up on your opening pages like title, copyright, and table of contents pages. In case the page numbers don't begin from number 1, then go to Page Numbers, click on Format Page Numbers, and then click on Start It and use the value 1. Once done, press Escape button to come out. Save your file. Now that your book is ready, just browse through the whole file before you convert it into a PDF file. Take your time in browsing the book one last time, page by page. This will help you spot errors, if any. Once done, just follow these steps to convert this file into a PDF. Go to Files, click on Export, click on Create Adobe PDF. If you wish, you can also create PDF using the PDF/XPS option. Once the PDF is ready, you will see that the size of the book, it is exact as we set it. Also, the text looks attractive and is ready for submission now. In case you have issues in converting PDF of your book, you may get in touch with our support team and they will be glad to help you. To learn on how to submit and publish a book with us for free, please view our other video. We will also be uploading more such videos that will help you in your publishing journey. Thank you.